decided that for lunch we're gonna have a little tuna salad. So I got bagel thins and then pickles. And this recipe I'm using is from HelloFresh, but obviously I don't have the ingredients, so I'm just gonna make it off of what I did before. It's pretty good. The color is actually pretty spot on to what the actual tuna mocha from Caribou is. I don't know. Still not right. I can drink it. It's just not the same. I am absolutely one of those people that can't be bothered to put the peanut butter in a container so that I could scoop it. Instead, I buy these little pouches. Just a pouch full of peanut butter. Home, and all of a sudden she's all gung-ho, and then I won't even get a single thank you. These cracks in the floor right here, Dan is like big time worried that they're gonna make us pay for that, but how can we be liable for the floor separating? I mean, come on, apartment people, that's not gonna happen. Mayo, where's the mayo? You know, in theory, containers like this should be so easy to get the stuff out of, and it absolutely is not. And Cheyenne is still just begging for more. You are the most ungrateful cat I have ever met. You're supposed to have 4 of those. I don't know if I'm confident enough to eyeball that, but here goes nothing. Pretty good, eh? I did not ask you, Shay Shay. Bagel thins, because you don't have to worry about the bread getting as soggy, but then you can also get it with the fun little topping. So I got like the everything bagel, but it's a thin, so it's not as like meaty as a normal bagel that you would have for like breakfast. I'll probably be having this for the next couple of days. I bet that's at least 2 lunches worth. My sandwich, my chips, my cookies. Gonna go watch some YouTube, eat this, and then eventually get myself to the gym. A little after 5, just finished with the gym. The outfit is really something. This ain't no fashion show. When I was at the gym, I had it like tucked up like this. So then, you know, it didn't look weird. But then after I was done at the treadmill, like I had the sweater off and then I just left like this, a little slouch perhaps. This is a Victoria's Secret sweater, very old. It's probably college old. It's an Under Armour tank top underneath. It's like a neon green. Definitely got it at Ross or TJ Maxx. And these shorts are actually Shein, and they do come with a matching bra, but I'm not wearing that today. Super cheap. If it's still available, I'll link it down below. I like the Shein shorts. They're a good length. So I'm thinking we're gonna have a little bar, and then I'm gonna make a little protein shake, then I'm gonna take a shower, and then I don't know what time it'll be after that. Miracle League, the baseball organization that I help with, the first game is tonight. I'm so excited. At I believe it's 7:45. So I'm thinking I'm gonna eat one of these, I'll make my shake, and then I will get Quick Trip pizza probably for dinner. I'm kind of craving pizza, but there's no point making a full pizza if Dan's not here tonight because he's working late. These are from Target. I've mentioned them before. This flavor is okay. I prefer the Snickerdoodle. So this is what I would buy, I guess, if if they didn't have the snickerdoodle. It's pretty good. And here's the table that I ruined with Mod Podge. It's not dirty, that's just stickiness. Okay, for our third and final outfit of the day, it's a little hoodie that I got in my Barbella box a couple months ago. Nike tank top I got at Ross 2 days ago. And then these leggings I got from TJ Maxx online, actually. It was one of those things that was recommended to me after I was already buying something else. And I don't know if you can see this pattern, but it's absolutely beautiful chevron patterned. It's actually Serena Williams brand. I didn't buy it all that long ago, so if it's still available, I'll link it down below. Let's go to Quick Trip and cross your fingers that there's pizza because I really want pizza. So I had to go with pretzel sticks instead of pizza. I probably should have gone to a bigger Quick Trip. This one's pretty small, so oh well. Maybe after. Happy Tuesday, new day, same thing at Walmart. Working 7 to noon, working on the swimsuits. Our store manager doesn't like that the corner of the swimsuit pad has a clearance rack on it, and I must admit, it looks like hot garbage, so I agree with her, but a lot of work to do rearranging in that little area and lots of swimsuits. And my janitor texted me this morning. He's putting the last coat of wax on my floor today, so tomorrow mid-afternoon it'll be ready, which means on Friday when I'm at school for the YMCA program, when I'm done with that, I can do a little rearranging and figure out where I want the floor plan to be. Yay! So some pretty big changes. I moved the dresses, made the swimsuits be here. I spent a long time making all of those swimsuits $7. Took a long time organizing these long dresses. I mean, sometimes my Walmart side and my teacher's side get together really nicely because we just like clean and orderly, you know? But I didn't finish. So I'll have to finish that arm tomorrow. And I think I might even move all those like 2-piece bikinis right here to the wall and move the dresses off the wall because I don't know, it's kind of packed, don't you think? Let's go home. Okay, a little lunch update. This is closer than it was yesterday. I used a different Starbucks pod. I think I normally use the 80 ounce, but I tried the 40 ounce and then I didn't put as much stuff in it, obviously, and it got a little bit closer, but you know, not the same. It'll make me appreciate when I actually get to go get coffee because I just can't get it right myself. Same sandwich as yesterday, but I was like midway through and I was wondering why the tuna kept falling out the bottom, and then I came to the realization that I forgot to put lettuce on. So today, lettuce on our tuna. And then these strawberries have been living in the fridge for, you know, a little bit. They're definitely not something you would get when you go to the store. You know, it's like at the almost moldy, but not really, just a little bit mushy stage. So one of my favorite things to do is basically just drench it in fruit dip. I'm gonna be honest, I've only ever tried the like normal flavor. I've never had the strawberry, but Hy-Vee was out. So here goes nothing. So I literally just throw it in a bowl and dump it on there. It's not healthy at all, but it's delicious. The cat is coming for my lunch. Not yours, young lady. So I almost treat this like a yogurt situation. Obviously it's not, it's a fruit dip, but I don't like to be bothered with just trying to dip it. So I'll just put a big old dollop in the middle and then I'll just spread it around with a spoon and just eat it like that. Cheyenne, no. Bye-bye. And I normally eat the Jell-O creations of the strawberry cheesecake flavor, but they were out. So I'm trying the lemon meringue. I like lemon, so I think it'll be pretty good. Very fruity, heavy lunch. So we're gonna eat this and then we'll go to the gym. I think there's only been one day this summer so far that we've had the air on. And I had a sweater on in my apartment, obviously, and we didn't have the air on. It's 80 degrees outside, but it's freezing inside. I'm just gonna go in and do a little incline walking on the treadmill. I just signed up for my very first yoga class. There's a country music yoga sculpt and it's heated today. If that means anything to you, I've never really been to a yoga class besides like things that I had to go to when I was in like college, high school gym classes. So I know nothing about what I'm getting into besides the fact that I need my water and I need a yoga mat, which I already have. So I don't want to do anything too strenuous right now because I don't want to regret it later. And it's a country music one, and I love country music, and so this was finally like the push I needed. And we just got the yoga place in my town, and I've been following their Instagram for a while, and like the country music one is just like a pop-up, and it was like what I needed to get my butt in there. And they have a new membership option where it's $54 for 3 weeks of unlimited classes, and I probably can go almost every single day. And normally just like to pop into a class is like $20. So that's an incredible deal. And I'm sure I'll continue doing it throughout the summer and then maybe pause it during the school year. I don't know. It depends how beneficial I find it. I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but really the only reason I'm going is I can't even remember as like even being like 6 years old and like little basketball camps and t-ball and all of that. You know, when you're playing like mock stretches and they want you to just bend over and touch your toes. Literally, even as like a 6-year-old, can't do it. High school, can't do it. Like I've been in all the sports. I do stretching occasionally and nowhere near. I mean, there's like this much of a gap. So maybe this is the summer that I can finally touch my toes. Let's go into the gym. So I'm just gonna do a quick little body rinse, like put a shower cap and all that on, just because I don't like being sweaty, even though my class is in like an hour and a half. I don't like chilling in sweat. HelloFresh is here. So I'm gonna do a Skittles green apple and some pina colada, probably 2 tablespoons. This is a stainless steel. It's supposed to be like a metallic, but if it's not in the sun, you really can't see the little sparkle. But it's supposed to be 56 ounces when it's full. And my normal drink, this one's the one I like to bring to school, and that's a 40, so it should be pretty similar. Like a magic potion. Okay, we're here. Got my yoga mat, got my water, ready to go in. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous. I'm the kind of person that doesn't get anxiety over anything except for going to new places and meeting new people. Like, give me an IEP meeting over going to a new place any day. Do I look rough? I feel a little rough. Let us recap our yoga experience. Hate burpees, hate mountain climbers, and I don't think I've ever been anywhere when it's been 98 degrees. Like Wisconsin gets into the 90s, but 98 and for almost an hour, I don't think so. So I think I was unprepared for that level of heat. I'm gonna end the vlog right here, and maybe I'll pick you up again tomorrow on a new one, or maybe I'll wait until Friday when we get into my classroom. Kind of just depends. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.